You ready? Here they come. Hi, babies. Hi, little ones. All right. Hi. Hello. All right, we're going to let the other ones out. I'm going to let the ladies out. Come on, ladies. Play nice. Play nice. Some of the ladies are staying in the coop. That's okay. That's okay. Oh, no, see, they came out. They came out. See if I can get some of them to eat a little something out of my hand here. Hey, come here, guys. Come here, ladies. They're like, that's not the good stuff. Farmer? Farmer, where's the good stuff? Let's see. Oh, I just got bit in the finger. Oh, oh. It's all sorts of crazy here. Blackie Chan, what are you doing? He says, I don't know. I gotta find my ladies. Where did they go? Olivia, be nice. Olivia doesn't like this. She wants her mealworms, she says. She says, mealworms. I need mealworms. There he goes. There he goes. Run, run, run. Oh. Olivia? She's such a turd. She just chased them birds for nothing. She doesn't even want to eat the food out of my hand. But she doesn't want them to eat it either. All right, guys. Jesus loves you. God bless you. Watch out for the lava chickens.